Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're super excited to show you how to make a beautiful flower pendant. A special 90th birthday gift for a very kind and lovely old lady. This one's rated 2 stars for difficulty, which means it's simple to make and perfect as a heartfelt gift for friends and loved ones. Let's get started. First, grab your silver clay and roll it into a ball. This helps push out any trapped air, which is super important. If there's air left inside, your piece might end up with cracks or pits after firing, and we don't want that. Next, apply a bit of mold release to your molds. Then press the silver clay into both the flower mold and the rectangle mold. You can use a pressing board or just your fingers. Press from the center outward and make sure it's pushed firmly into all the corners. If you see any bubbles, it's best to take the clay out and try again. If you want to speed up the drying process, you can use a mug warmer or a toaster oven. Once the clay is semi-dry, go ahead and remove it from the mold. After that, use a crafting knife to trim the edges. And lightly sand it with fine sandpaper to smooth it out. Just a heads up, once the clay is fully dry, it's really hard to drill holes. So try to do that part while it's still semi-dry. Now it's time to bring it all together. Use a bit of silver clay paste to attach the flower, the small leaf, and the rectangular base. Give everything a light sanding to tidy it up. And you're almost done. Before firing, make sure your piece is completely dry. If it's still a bit damp, it could crack or bubble in the kiln. We used a kiln set to 800 degrees Celsius, or 1472 degrees Fahrenheit, and fired the piece for about 15 minutes. But if you're doing this at home, you can totally use a gas stove too. Check out our previous lavender pendant video to see how. Once it's fired, you can let it cool down naturally, or if you're in a hurry, you can quench it in water to cool it faster. Just a quick tip, only do this if your piece doesn't have any gemstones. The sudden temperature change might crack them. After it cools, use a steel brush to remove the white oxidation layer and reveal that shiny silver underneath. Then give it a nice polish with an agate burnisher. And just like that, you've got yourself a beautiful flower pendant. Here are some tips to help you achieve better results. First, apply mold release to the mold. It helps remove the silver clay cleanly. Second, make sure to drill holes while the clay is semi-dry. Third, water quenching is only suitable for pieces without gemstones, otherwise, gemstones may crack due to thermal shock. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more silver clay tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. Feel free to leave us a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next. Or share your own DIY experience and the joy it brought you. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!